Welcome to Tech Yeah. I've got another unboxing for you guys today. The Corsair RM Series 850X. Today I've got the RM 850X in white. I chose this power supply for the 011 dynamic build. It's 80 plus gold and claims to be ultra low noise. On the side of the box here it reads that it's got a 24 pin connector, 2 of the EPS CPU connectors, 6X of the PCIe connectors, that's 6 plus 2, 10 SATA connectors, and 8 of the Molex, or peripheral. Let's get into the unboxing. What a whiny dog. Right off the bat I've got a manual that covers the 850X and the 750X in the RM series. Important information document. You got a few white zip ties. A badge. Yeah. I like these little badges when they include them. Got some black screws. It would be nice if they included some white screws. Does anybody make those? It comes with a 16 gauge power cord. Kind of a lackluster bag here for the cables. But this right here is the exact reason why I picked this model, is because it's got a braided sheathing going around the cables that'll make it look nice and tidy and still give it that white look. Alright, what everyone probably is watching this video for is the PCIe cables. It comes with 3 individuals. It starts off as 8 pin from the CPU and goes to dual 6 plus 2 pin. And it is that way on all 3 of them. It also comes with 2 CPU connectors, 2 of your Molex connectors, and each one has 4 Molex. And then it's got 3 of your SATA cables. Yep, 3 SATA cables with 3 on this one, 4 on this one, and 3 on this one. And of course you can't forget your 24 pin. It'll have a little bend right there and kind of look ugly, but the sheathing, we may or may not be able to see any of this sheathing. the main attraction. It smells like what I hoped Taiwan would smell like. It kind of has a grayish colored fan to it. Hopefully that's facing down for you. And kind of no frills on the back. And the sticker here on the rails for the 3.3 volt supports 25 amp. On the 5 volt supports 25 amp. On the 12 volt rail it allows 70.8 volts. On the 12 volt negative, 0.8 amps. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots available that you can use for your CPU connectors or PCIe connectors. It also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connectors right there for your peripheral or SATA.